The inspiring story of Kaveri Manian. Overcoming tragedy and adversity to achieve his dream. 10th April 1983. Kaveri's mother and father went to visit a temple on their holiday and suffered a fatal accident. The car veered off the road and hit a tamarind tree, instantly killing the two parents. The 6-year-old child, now an orphan, lost both his parents in a seemingly casual holiday trip that changed his life forever. The child was Kaveri Manian, son of pediatrician Dr. Kaveri Selvan, who worked at the Tirupur Government Hospital, and his mother, Mrs. Dhanlakshmi, who was a housewife. The child found himself surrounded by helpless relatives and turned to his grandfather, Mr. Chenya Chetty. The 80-year-old grandfather went above and beyond for Kaveri Manian, helping him find his way in the chaotic world and acting as his mother and father. Kaveri Manian looked up to his grandfather for guidance and support in every step of his life and was never disappointed. The child dreamt of becoming a doctor and studying medicine and was placed alongside other students under the government's orphan quota to pursue his MBBS. Kaveri Manian learned from a very young age the fruits of hard work and labor and saw how tirelessly his grandfather worked to fulfill all his goals. Mr. Chetty ran a cloth business in Bargur, even with his fragile age, just for Kaveri Manian to grow up and become whomever he wished to be. It was then that Kaveri Manian decided that he would not let the hard work of this commendable man ever go to waste. The child received a monthly pension of $30 from the government to help him study. This amount, along with the hard-earned money of his grandfather, helped Kaveri Manian through school. The brutal accident was a shock for the young child who was then in first grade. He failed the class due to emotional turmoil and had to focus twice as hard on his studies from then on. Kaveri Manian not only passed his classes with flying colors but was also an ambitious sports player in his school. He was even the captain of his school basketball team in his teenage years. The principal of the SBOA school, who hails from the same village as Kaveri Manian's father, Bargur, helped the ambitious boy by discounting his fees, so he only paid $5 every 3 months. The remaining money from the government pension was used to pay for Kaveri's school housing. Kaveri Manian scored 84.5% on his 10th grade metric boards, much to everyone's surprise, and continued his ambition of following in his father's footsteps to become a doctor. Kaveri Manian went through several challenges at a young age that were much more hurtful than just financial hardships. His father passed away, leaving behind a big house in his name, which was unjustly taken away by his relative. Neither the boy nor his grandfather received any part or benefit from the property, leaving the helpless kid to fend for himself, and the burden of mental suffering took a toll on him. Kaveri Manian didn't even have $4, which he needed to apply to Anna University, an engineering college. However, the boy found comfort and support in his grandfather's hard work and teachings about life. It was the friends of his father and grandfather who ultimately helped him secure the accommodation he desperately needed during such a critical time in his life. He also requested the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, J. Jayalalitha, to help him study medicine, and his wish was finally granted. Kaveri Manian walked 240 kilometers barefoot to go to the temple to pray for his dreams. Kaveri didn't have slippers, a bed, and no proper food. Kaveri slept on the bed platform without a mattress. Despite facing these obstacles, Kaveri Manian showed tremendous resilience and determination. During his early early college days, he got into smoking and alcohol, which led to him failing a year in medical college. However, he didn't let this setback define him. Instead, he bounced back and set his life straight, focusing on his studies and personal growth. After the first year of his MBBS, Kaveri faced the unfortunate passing of his grandfather, and at the same time, his scholarship was also stopped. Due to this, Kaveri couldn't write some exams because his tuition was not completed. During this challenging period, Kaveri's health suffered from shock, stress, and depression, leading him to multiple hospitalizations. Interestingly, in sickness, Kaveri gained valuable insights into the world of medicine and experienced firsthand the importance of compassionate care. Eventually, with the help of his classmates, he got well and navigated through the tough times. Kaveri remained determined and persistent, diligently praying at the temple and studying hard. Finally, his unwavering efforts paid off, and he successfully completed his medical studies. Today, Dr. Kaveri Manian looks back and expresses his heartfelt appreciation for the support and encouragement he received, especially from his grandfather, Mr. Chennaya Chetty, who raised him in an inspiring and admirable way. Dr. Kaveri Manian aspires to inspire and reassure people that despite life's challenges, success is certain. His ultimate ambition is to construct a hospital in Bargur, where it all started, to offer medical care to the underprivileged and orphaned. This project serves as a gesture of gratitude to those who supported